kind of just pull for a loop. Sure, small.
It's only half drink. It's only the coffee. Ooh, it's strong.
Is it?
Look how big this sandwich is. Good morning. It's day 3 in our trip to Chiang Mai, and we have a really full day planned. We just had breakfast. We're about to go do a hike. Then we're going to get massages, check out a bunch of temples. We have a cooking class tonight. All the things. I will check back in later today, but right now we got to get going.
Millions of years, or probably thousands of years, all these like river streams eroded away them. So, twist of events, we have been waiting for a half hour to get a ride back to our hotel because, wouldn't you know it, we didn't bring enough money to pay for the massage. It's so embarrassing, but it is what it is at this point. The massage place was super nice and let us know that we were able to use like their driver to take us back to the hotel to grab more cash so we can actually pay. But this is where we're at right now, and we've been waiting for a little bit to finally head back to the hotel. Um, yeah, hot tip, but I feel like everyone kind of knows this. Bring enough cash to actually pay for everything. I think I expected more places to take card, but we haven't been able to find, like, I don't think one place that we've been to has taken card. So definitely bring a lot of cash. I'm gonna head back inside, enjoy the rest of our cookies and tea while we're waiting. Hopefully we'll be out of here soon because we have to go to a cooking class in about like a half hour.
The sauce for cooking. We pass the bottles also. Oh, yeah. So, San Fran, you cook for yourself. Your spicy level, the chili jam, you taste first. When we arrive, you taste. If you taste this, you run for the water, your baby spicy level. Okay? If it's easy for you, you might be medium. If medium is a big series. If you wanna try, I can give you. And if a bit different, but the taste big different. This one, the leaf of coffee lime. Today, coffee lime is affordable. The leaf of coffee lime, and we also use another part is this for sweet basil. The stalk will be can be dark color and no hair. This one is you know this? Mushroom. So you can say beach sprout and these noodles, they are from the same beans. We put this last step to absorb the sauce. Spread the oil. One, two. My hair okay?
Yeah.
Good. All in.
It was actually like really easy.